32 divided by 3. Yeah, 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15. 3 goes into 3 how many times? Look, 3 goes into 3 1 times, write 1. 1 times 3 3. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 2. Since 2 is less than 3, so 3 goes into 2 0 times. 0 times 3 0. If you subtract, you are getting 2. So your answer is 10 remainder 2. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then what will happen? Just take a decimal point and you are allowed to take any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. So before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 3 times 6 18. 3 times 7 just 21. 21 is greater than 20, so we have to stop here. 6 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. Bring down this 0. Again 3 goes into 20 how many times? 6 times. So write 18, subtract 2. So if you take another 0, this process will continue. So you can add here 3 dot. This means that this 3 dot, this means that this this is continuing. So 10.663 dot is your answer. Or you can write answer like this: 10.6 bar. This means this 6 is repeating.